Morning, Judge and Commissioners.
Morning.
I do understand that what's before you today is primarily an accounting of funds that have been received and distributed. So that's really not my issue, as Mr. Brewer's issue is not so much this particular document, but the underlying cause and effect, so to speak. I just want to read something as recent as March of this year out of the Washington Post. It says the Justice Department has announced that it's resuming a controversial practice that allows local police departments to funnel a large portion of assets seized from citizens into their own coffers under federal law. The Equitable Sharing Program gives police the option of prosecuting some forfeiture cases under federal instead of state law, because sometimes the federal guidelines for asset forfeiture are weaker than those of the state. Now, let me be clear, I'm not saying that our law enforcement here in Smith County is complicit in any way. I'm just saying that if we are participants in receiving monies that are obtained illegally, I don't think that's something I personally or that Smith County wants to be involved in. I have no problem with asset forfeiture where an offense is prosecuted and convicted, and then assets from that are distributed. I don't have a problem with that. My problem is, and you read stories all over the country where local police departments basically use it as a revenue source, where they stop people and confiscate assets, and they keep them. The people never get them back. They're never charged with a crime. They're never convicted of a crime. And to me, that is the Fourth Amendment. That is a violation of the Fourth Amendment rights against illegal seizures. So I guess my concern would be that hopefully the state legislature will pass legislation making it illegal in Texas to keep assets that are obtained without a conviction being obtained from that particular offense. So we'll just have to wait and see if that happens. But again, I'm not implying that our law enforcement is in any way complicit with this. I'm just saying that it's something that I personally would like to keep an eye on, and really would not like for Smith County to be receiving any kind of funds that were obtained illegally. Thank you.
Thank you.